1031 exchange is when a real estate investor sells their investment real estate and has the ability to potentially defer a whole bunch of taxes through what's known as a 1031 exchange. It's called 1031 exchange because it's section 1031 of the Internal Revenue Code. And that says that if they sell investment real estate and they buy investment real estate, they can potentially defer their long-term capital gains taxes, their depreciation recapture taxes, depending on their state that they live in and where the property is that they're selling or sold, and then possibly some other taxes depending on their tax bracket and other factors. And if they indeed do a 1031 exchange, that these taxes could potentially be deferred by buying other investment real estate following certain timelines and certain steps and rules of the 1031 exchange. K Property specializes in is the Delaware Statutory Trust for 1031 exchange. And for investors that choose to be passive, not have any active management, property management, not have any active asset management, where they are relying on, in many cases, fairly large companies whose sole purpose is the operating and management, the buying and the selling of real estate. And with the Delaware Statutory Trust, people do have the opportunity to participate in a lot of different real estate deals that they ordinarily wouldn't be able to access just on their own, even though they could be a high net worth investor. Make sure to visit kpi1031.com and you'll be able to log in for free access to our listings of 1031 exchange Delaware Statutory Trust properties. You'll also be able to get several other different resources available to our investors on 1031 exchanges at kpi1031.com. You'll get a free book on 1031 DST properties that will send you a free subscription to the 1031 DST Digest magazine. It has all kinds of case studies, tenant overviews, educational resources, and articles in the 1031 DST Digest. And you'll get access to free 1031 exchange educational conference calls that we host every week with our investors on various topics regarding 1031 exchanges, asset classes, financing, debt-free DSTs, zero coupon offerings, different strategies to use when thinking about a 1031 exchange into DST properties. Our team is here to help. We've done a lot of these Delaware Statutory Trust transactions and have helped thousands of investors nationwide complete 1031 exchanges into Delaware Statutory Trust properties. We're here for you. Just reach out to us anytime at kpi1031.com. And as always, feel free to call or email me anytime.